Hey guys, this is IBU Learning, the place to develop your academic skills. And today tutorial I'm going to show you 3 ways that how you can get Navisworks file from Revit. Navis is very powerful and most used software for beam coordination and clash detection. For clash detection, we link multidiscipline model together and check or resolve the issue in beam model. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Now here I am in already Revit, and then I am just going to open sample architectural project. This files already installed with the Revit, and you can get it from your computer C drive. So I am just going to show you where you can get this file. Go to local C drive and then go to program files, and then you have to go to find the Autodesk, and here you can find your Revit installed version. This is Revit 2020, and you have to find the sample folder and all the installed sample from the Autodesk Revit. You can find it here. This is very useful. You can open and you can learn lots of things from here. Also you can see how all the models is there. So this is the file location. So I have this Revit sample project open, okay, and I am just going to show you from here 3 ways to how you can export the Navisworks file from this Revit file. Okay, so I am going to click on the 3D view, and this is that 3D for this project. If you will go to project browser folder, and you can find this 3D. I am going to hide this topography because this making file heavy, so I'll hide this one, and I'm just going to export this much, and I'm just going to delete this unwanted 3D views. So I have one 3D view in this project, and before doing that I'm just going to file and save as this project to my desktop or some other folder to not change the original Revit sample file. So I can say it option one and save here. So now my file is ready to export. Just go to file and go to export option, and you will find NWC. Okay, so maybe you cannot find this option because if you don't have installed Navisworks. Okay, so if you don't have Navisworks installed and you cannot find it here, you have to go to install the plugins. Okay, otherwise you cannot export this. So I'm just going to export this one. Before doing this export, just go to Navis setting, and you can change your setting as from here, such as if your coordinates is shared or there is a internal origin, project internal. So you can change it, modify it from here. Even you can go to interface and you can change units also. So I prefer default settings. I don't want to change anything now here, and I will go to save this. It will take some time, depends on your model, how big is that. After that it's finished. So option 1 finished. Now I'll just go to save as this same model to option 2. You can say this project 2 or something, and just save this. So I'm just going to show you the other option. Just go to add-ins, and here you will find external tools, and this is Navis. Same, you will get that export scene as. You can go and save this to option 2. If you cannot find these two options, I'll just and if you don't have installed Navisworks, so I will just show you how you can get this. Just go to browser, Internet Explorer, and then just go to Autodesk website. In the Autodesk website you will go to product, and here we have to go to choose the Navisworks, and then in the Navisworks you will go down and 3D viewer, and here you can go to download Navisworks Freedom. You can download Freedom from here also. This is NWD viewer. I think it's free. You can for review of Navisworks files, but manage, you cannot do clash detection and other coordination here, but this is just for the viewer. And once you will scroll down, you will find the Navisworks NWC export utility. If you don't have Navisworks Manage installed in your computer, you cannot find that option to export Navis until you have to install this one. So choose this one as per your Revit version. Go click on this Navisworks Export 2020 if you are using Revit 2020. So use this, and you have to download it from here and install it. Once it will be installed, you will find the same option. This Navisworks will be enabled to export. So just these two options you can get it from here. Okay, now I will just go to save as this one, and we will move for the option third. In this time I am not going to export from the Revit. I will just move itself to the Navisworks Manage, and then I am just going to open that Revit file, option 3 file from here. If we will go to click open, and then maybe you have to change the setting from here. You need all files or NWC file, NWD file. You can see lots of file extension here supporting. So here you have to go to choose RVT file for the Revit extension, or you can keep all the files, so it will all the file will show here. Now I am going to choose option 3 RVT Revit file, and just I will click open. This is a start converting the Revit file to Navis, and after a few seconds, or it's depend on your file, the Navis file will be open and converted to NWC. Revit file will be converted and it will be open in NWC format. So this is the 3 way, but best way I prefer to not open from the Navis file. You can see this Navis is open, and even you will go to open all 3 projects, or you can see option 1 NWC, option 2 NWC, option 3 NWC. So if you want, go to append all 3 projects and files, and you can see option 3, option 1, option 2. Actually this is the all file is the same, so it's all is overlapping here each other. That's why you cannot recognize which one is that, but once you will select, you will find the selected project is highlighting. So we always prefer either you have to go to add-ins, export from here, or export from here, not to open directly from the Navis files. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.